What's going on, YouTube? Quick video comparison of the Z Fold 5 up against the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And why I want to compare this is because I like using these phones, and the S23 Ultra, I do use a case. I use this case here, which is a rubberized case from Whitestone Dome. So shout out to Whitestone Dome. And do have the MagSafe on the back. It's a pretty grippy case. It's very grippy, so I like using it. It's a much wider device, so it's more prone, to slip out of my hands without a case. It's kind of slippery. So I do have a case on that. But with the Z Fold 5, I noticed that it is a more of a narrow phone, so I got a better grip on it, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hands. So I decided to just use it without a case. So let me know what you guys think about that. It is pretty, and it's got Gorilla Victus on the back, Gorilla Victus on the front. I do have a screen protector, and this one is also Gorilla Victus on both sides, but it has the curved edges, so it's kind of, I don't know, it feels more slippery in my hands because it's just a little bit wider. And this one, it feels more easier to hold because I got my hands all around it. So when I'm out and about, I mostly use it just like this. I pull it out of my pocket. It's pretty comfortable too. And I want to show you also the thickness of these phones together. So face to face, and I'll show you how that the Fold is a lot shorter. Let's see, get your better view here. It's a lot shorter. It's probably about 3/4 of an inch shorter than the S23 Ultra, and it's probably, I want to say, maybe about a 1/2 inch thinner. So it's thinner, it's shorter, and you can see the thickness here. It's a little bit thicker, but not, well, it's thicker definitely, because it's like 2 displays in one, but it's not real bad in your pocket. So I noticed when I use the Z Fold 5 without a case in my pocket, it is easy coming in and out of my pocket, and I feel comfortable with without a case on it. So I do have lens protectors on the back, tempered glass screen protector on the front, and this one also the same. I got the lens protectors on the back, and I do have screen protector up front. This is the Whitestone Dome on both of these. So shout out to them. Go ahead and unlock it. Just I pretty much got them set up the same, and yeah, man, compared to both of them, they're both durable devices when closed. I think I would agree that they're both durable. They have Gorilla Victus on both sides. The only part that I'm kind of worried about is the inner display, because it is the weakest display. If I can open it, it is the weakest part of the phone when it comes to using it with the display opened, because it's plastic and it's not dust resistant, but it is water resistant, which is weird. But yeah, it seems like dust is gonna have a hard time getting in there, so I shouldn't be too worried. But like I said, I'm gonna start using it without a case because it's just more comfortable to hold. And with the case, I got several cases. It just feels too bulky. And yeah, and just my thoughts. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I rock it without a case? I mean, I do have the insurance for it, so just in case anything. It's a beautiful device too. I'm really enjoying it. If anything, I'll probably get the official Samsung case with the pen on the back. But yeah, drop a comment down below. We out.